Edohia, wabedene. Wabebe negekai, ke jafe ni maye. Na de Friday, na bie suku yesu. Wahia do, wabo wiawu, wabava ebonu waye, wabota ebonu waye. Wahia lare o, nando toge do. Wahia lare o, nando toge de gbewa. Wahia no yere, dege, even suru nyegbe na wa. Awi temen magbabe muyo muyi. Dege wa o, adoge debi. Kuyo obukian o. Obukian. De wahia ma. Iwe de wahia ma. De wa ma, de ma. Ebuhia ma. Baba wo, ye wo, eten wo, emo wo, ame wo, odo wo, ekinuwado wo, iwina riaba wa wina wo, ugbonu wa gbe wo, de ya be mo, owe mo nye, owe ma, de owe ma la o da o. Yin no ma e ma na o. Ebi ke mi garo no suku ma o, ni yon saloba, no dia e ne ma, no ria e ne ma. Ne ma ro saloba no do ya ke no ma. The Makata, my Yimita, my affair, a big bit, my affair, about Koto. If no Sabin and do what one and I'm making our way no home. If you came in one the good there, the Mare with Nosaka, if you came in Saba being your daddy. Akuyo, a Gadi, Gusa, and I ask no. Nanya Sadobois, don't care the ne. Where's you, Sanakpama? Wesu Ugudwa Wesu Sanutazi Mwetin Pologbe Asetin Basawe. Oh Wesu. Now the way now who said there now Wesu. Ogebu one net do a matana, a magena. No ever one get do dieke, no a doge we a magena. Imi Salobo don't write a hawk about him or if ye do. Na gbe ya dege umama rebu e me mudia yi la wo uge mo hu me egun egboku awe ni Salobo Salobo nu dazi egun enwin akwa la ho nu re ame yugbo me la ho nu ri afian gbe yi na me e ko e ma na do imi anu we wa no godo aye no ma ni mado awe egbe mado awe mi ma no mi ma no o edo eke ni manate gbemu we ate maye Salobo ye emegberi oto ni ma mare amegberi oto eke ni manada gbeda mo ni manawa se di enwa ni yemi ni man maya we no yu e ma dagbo e ma no gwalo ki ana e dem la wo pe be ni ya ye mi ya we do ege do ki obi ogwe la ho ege do ki obi ogwe la ho ege do ki obi ogwe Salobo nu dazi wati na he emi a o bu mare o ka ma do ta na gi ma de o tutoi ma be ya nwa no a wo go da no ge ri yibo ni ma no si o do kokoro fi agbe do no ten do mo e bo so wa ku e do khian te la wo Salobo na wa to bo ya wo e rin a no bo ya wo ri egbe gbogbo yẹn awo èrègbè ní àrí òbọ yẹn ẹdọ ẹkún rẹ ní ẹdọ rẹ mma gbàgbọnà èmi ní yàwó máa yà fẹ màwé rè yẹ wàá wo sànúrà wọn lára pọ wọn kí wọn tára arúgbó kí wọn dẹdẹmẹdẹ yàtọ dẹdẹmẹdẹ èmi Jésù Kristi náà yẹ wọn ìṣe ìnira ọgọmọ ọgọmọ wọn ìṣe wàyà bó kí wọn wà náà yẹ adoge debi katu na babokian usayama esewi babokian o ya ni ka bo agweni ala re na so bo yugie ibota oredo aye na o ibota oredo e mana toka ibota oredo e mana te emi ari ogibanedo Ibo to age do e mana zedo ma we gbon a zo a we gbon a we tie be ni ma we wana wa ya agba okoto nu wa we gwa agbon nu wa we gwa tie nu wa we gwa zo e ta mo ke yire ma ya wo e bagbona ona ge oba mi no ma me edo ona ge baba ni Napoleon Sagie on ria wa ona ge yimi ona ge baba ni Bello Benson Yawale agbona ge yimi ya ni o ma me do na agbon he na atie he ya yira agbon ni ha me tam fia la o yin amu ni ya kamia we ni ama me yo ma we e to logo gbe ama o yo e no o gi bana do ma o yo gi bana do wa ho a mi ma na do o konkon o ni ma wa fi ye ke gbe bo pa e me iga o hu da wo sar ba yo bo yan hu ni do wo he na o hu sai me kin e no ge do no re no mo se ja fe ma ho da gba o ge no man ya fe da gba o ge na ya ta gbon mu na ya ta gbon mu wa ta mi vie do ni ra America vie do ni re Europe vie do ni Australia vie do ni re South Africa ya de na do gba o ge do ibo ta ge do la si o bo ya fe do ni ere wa bo kan o Ari anana. We are back to Edo evening hour. Edo evening hour. Wani bere Christian Vasuke obokan o wira me. Mr. Manfidon obokan o. Mr. Manfidon na emi ni we na wan na de. Mr. Manfidon. We no wa we agbon wa we ma we bo we ku wa ye odo we bo nebo. Debo nu ye odo Oyo do no oyo gie. Ku yo Manfidon. Edo history of Ogiso dynasty in Igodo. So we are back again to Edo history. Edo history is very authentic. Woo! It is sweet to know. Invite other people to learn and teach it in the elementary schools, in the high schools, in the colleges of education, and in the university. Edo language, Edo history. Obimara soil. He said, may God bring it to pass. Amen. Edo history. Edo history of Ogiso dynasty of Igodo. Those are the beginning of Edo history. Igodo. Ogiso dynasty. It's not facsimile. Okay, Edo people should be very proud of their history. What we are talking about is BC and AD and Christian era. Raise up your head, Edo people, and be proud of what God gave to us. Igodo. You also look like, my brother, you live in France. That's very good. France, even though my would all here for us for bonjour, monsieur. Yeah. Comment vous appelez-vous? Monsieur Imafidon. Vous êtes résidé à la France. Oh, very good. C'est bien. That is good. J'ai oublié mon français. I've forgotten my French. Koyo. Pastor, okay. But you man keep France road. Don't mean that's what. Okado, Ore Ogiso, ve Igodo. Okado, Ore Ogiso, ve Igodo. Where Olunakpa we do Igodo. Ogiso, Igodo. Oni said, man, if you do our mungo. Only was a bit of Amugo. If you Nigeria Nika Yan Gwegwa, or you be Bonobi outside, no, you ban all your young Gwegwa, who come out where he go to me go to. I tell you, he go to me go to. He make it day. Come out radio. If you kiss him, okay, no kiss already. No, Sabayi, no Saran Pama. Okay, somebody is here. I don't know where you are from. Okay. Echo Onokpa Tu Teu. Okay. I don't know. Do you speak Greek or Hebrew? Hello, whoever is writing this, I'm asking you, do you speak Greek or Hebrew? I mean, if you speak Greek, let us start to write Greek, me and you. If you write Hebrew, let us start to write Hebrew, me and you. Okay? All right. So we don't need to preach here. All right. We are just doing history right now. I mean, God bless you. All right. Amen. Edo biedo imam anoni fi ogbeni no bunye wa ya dege. That dog toge. Ogman do we na do ta wana ye do ato be yo. And so when we salo gba no ta yo, ho man gun gbo dan ye won salo gbo. Okay, we go to do ta o. All right. Now we move on to history. As I told you the other day, what we discussed here, we have derived them from our research work. You know, we have studied especially the edoaffairs.com, www.edoaffairs.com. Most of our information here we get from edoaffairs.com. We also get some from the book which our late ancestor, the Oba Benin, Oba Ediawa of blessed memory, he also wrote about Ogiso and the Obas. So we put them together that we are presenting here now. So this wisdom, this knowledge is not entirely my own. It is what I got from books that I have read, especially from edoaffairs.com. What you're born here, edoaffairs.com. If you don't want, they must have been written by Edo people. I will thank God that we can pounce on them and use them to teach. Glory be to God in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Today, we make progress. We are going on. We have done up to 21st Ogiso. You know, man, gift. Obogan. Andrea Mato. Good. Okay. Yes, we go. Where's it? Now I broke one here. Today we go on to the 22nd Ogiso. Look up, everybody. Hallelujah. Yeah. Ogiso Ediai. The other day we ended with Ogiso Agbonzeke. That was the 21st Ogiso. Today we are on the 22nd. We begin with the 22nd Ogiso. And the 22nd Ogiso is Ogiso Ediai. Look at when it rained. 665 to 685. Christian era. Ogiso Ediai. I like that name. Ediai. Oh Lord. Ediai. And that's not the full meaning of the name. It probably would be Ediagbon or Ediagbon, so on and so forth. But the name is a beautiful name. Ediai. Hi. That's what it is. He was the 22nd Ogiso. Let all Edo people be proud of this. The Ogiso dynasty we are talking about was not only 2 Ogiso, 5 Ogiso, 10 Ogiso, 15 Ogiso, 20, 25, 30, not even 30. It was beyond 31 Ogiso. So it's not a part of history that you can push away and say it doesn't matter. It does matter. Ogiso, 22nd of Ogiso, along the line. Oh, he was the 22nd. Ogiso Ediai. Okay, it was the last of John Were as Ogiso. The last of John Were as Ogiso. I told you that the problem arose when one particular Ogiso they don't have a son. So they chose to use the oldest person in the city as Ogiso. So since that time, they have been using the oldest person in the city as Ogiso. Okay? So the oldest person, they will elect him as Ogiso. The oldest person, they will elect him as Ogiso. Because of that, Ogiso used to come from different quarters in Oigodo Mingodo. So one came from Oegbeni the other day. Another one came from Ubowo. Another one came from Beku. And so on and so forth. Like you get me? All right. But Ogiso Ediai, this is the 22nd Ogiso. He was the last Ojonwere as Ogiso. The last Ojonwere, that's the oldest person being Ogiso. The last. Here now, we're going to see something will happen when it passes on. When it joins the ancestors, something will happen which will make no more Ogiso Ojonwere. Okay, before that time, we know we had what the system called primogeniture. Primogeniture is the system where the first son becomes the Oba or the king or the Ogiso. Primogeniture. Primogenitura. Primogenitura. The Latin word. Meaning taking after one's own father. Taking after one's own father. So this man now is the last Ogiso and is the last Ogiso of Ojonwere system. So Ojonwere system will stop and we will return to primogenitura. Okay. He was a carver and he was a sculptor. So you see all of these Ogiso one by one, they had special gifts. Hello, special gifts. Something that God gave to them to bless the world. The other one, there was a fisherman. You remember? He used to carve canoe. The other one, there was a blacksmith. Blacksmith. You see? He was making knives and cutlasses and so on. You remember? All right. The other one was a herbalist. You see? You remember? He was using it to bless the world. This one now was a carver, was a sculptor. So if you go to Benin City, you will see people who are carvers and are sculptors. They have an association in Benin City called Association of Benin Carvers. It is something to be proud of. It is something that God gave to some people because they can look at you and carve you. It will look very much like you. It's a gift. It's a talent. And you need to develop it and keep it. That is what God gave to you. Let us not try to put ourselves in what God did not put us or give to us. You hear me? This man now was a carver and was a sculptor. A carver is somebody who uses wood, carves it, and makes it look like what he wants it to look like. A sculptor is somebody who uses clay or terracotta or anything. He molds it. He molds it. After molding it, he can put it on fire. He may not put it on fire, but it comes to look like exactly like what he wants it to be. Hello. So in some areas in Benin City, you will see what I'm talking about. If you go to the Ring Road, the beginning of Ring Road there, you will see a hotel. Idubo Gallery Hotel. You go inside there and see for yourself. You could see the work that man, Baba Idubo, did because he had the gift of carving and a gift of sculpture. You cannot believe it. So beautiful things. Okay? If you look like at a ring road, you will see the statue of a Benin chief. That is done by people who don't understand sculpture. And if you go to the palace, you will see a lot of these things. This is the gift that God gave to Edo people. The things that they carried away to Europe in those days, in 1897, those were done by people who were gifted by God. Edo people. They didn't learn in the school. No. Some inherited it from their own parents. So this man was a carver and was a sculptor. Newborn. Ogiso Ediaye. There ought to be a small museum for Ediaye in Benin City. For the commemoration of the work of Ogiso Ediaye, there should be. We believe we should not be letting everything just go like that, go past us. No, we should stand and establish something. We should stand and make something stand for history, for posterity. We are the people. There should be a small museum for Ogiso Ediaye. How about your brother there? Ogiso Ediaye Museum. This name should not be lost in history. No! Okay. The man lived till he was 115 years before he passed on. 115 years. You see what I'm talking about? Those men were gifted, though. They lived longer, most of them. All these of them were they were old people. Most of them 100 or over. May God help us to live long. Amen. But we need to change our ways and look at the ways of our forefathers. Ogiso Ediaye. Ogiso Ediaye. The Maya take that the Ogiso Agbonzeke. Ogiso Ediaye na onokin wa agbokuto. Ndin oriere egbe Ediaye. Oyeke Ogiso no poge Evanyogie. Ogiso no Ogiso no gie Evanyogie. Ogiso no gie Evanyogie. Who are any Ogiso na go tamoto. Ai na yarege. Wa sekeni bia bo ye kamia we bi Ogiso bakin. Ai na am twa bege awolowo bikebege azikiwe akebege balewa. Alagbon no ga yimi ni ya be wo yan na ko so ba for them. Ogiso na kana opefu Dogo sana bu agbon. Kami o be bi abo man na do Ogiso. Ebo ni mebi na manyi oyi igodo. Ija, we ni agbon di agbon. We ni atie di agbon atie. Di nkogbo agbon nkogbo ti wo mi ba iyaka. Ba iyaka. Ba we man bi do na yigodo bi godo ka. Ebu no sabu no munyo igodo bo Ogiso igodo no waye tele no ka iya wa ye gay no ya di agmun na ya di Ogiso Ogiso Evanyogie ma ko kade owo eva eha eden ise ando se kesugie eden robugie harogie varogie ugie ando so panyogie Evanyogie yina Odenwe Ogiso no keke. Yo odenwe Ogiso no keke ba yonika. Come wa we ege aesegbe ayo karo bege Ogiso igodo wade. Ando mi Ogiso ni no mo bi okua ma won mo. Ma mo okua. Hundoni anaido akonyo or no do auguso. Wana bede managmo wa yiri wa. Ado akonyo. Na mate mata no wa ye yo no wa ti ye. Eya na do zio. E wa bedoku. Na wo ma ono yi odion ebo o kan auguso. Anaido ayo odion we auguso. Odion we o yi auguso. Auguso ave pa abidogebo ono bibi odion we afraid abido ya auguso. Wa dekede do ade na do se gbe oguso agbonzeke na do se gbe oguso ediaye na oye okeke ogo ojon we oguso egbin o da fo ba yonika egbe ona fo adogdo gbe na ka la de mede tele oguso oge egi ala se gbe egi aye segbe ya wa ya tawe re o egi aye segbe ya edi ana ge gbera adu sewa oh ona ogi so ga dio we no okeke na wa be aye baba na re ogi so edi ana ye ke ga o me ohun ina no kana ye ga akin tu wa na te ohun ina man so ba ye egba mi na ya we wi ayo bo we wi o de ohun ina no kara opa bu so ohun ina ni wa ki no kara ni bo wa dege ogun so edi na ina wa ogun so ohun ina no kara ona be ohun ina no meri ogwa meri ege manari bieka ado amakobie akobia imai ai mi oyibo ma ai liwe yo ai liunu yo ai do liubo yo do liwe yo e wana so ababa ye etina we esetin we ma ye we ai gogo wa we muse ai dagbe ma we gogo wa we muse nu da wo ma etin so ababa le tin mana agwa mmemi te mana gwa mmemi u pa kan wa no wa we o wa de la yo wana o gana ga akin edo ye beru edo otu ore manu kara otu ore manu mmemi wa so edo gba okoto madi jedo mi ya wa ti lo kwa gbe edo amba na yo da de don yo edo de don yo okeke ni ma bi amo wa na bi ewi na ka ke bi na ma ore edi ayi o be aro edo ni awu ga pa we no ore edi ayi wa ho ibi edi ayi esapa ige do edi ayi pa mu egbo ni ma mi ye do be ya yo ai gbon yo we uge ari ore edi ayi ai gbon yo ba gedegbe wa we ko do ase bi ko yo we ti ka ma we egbu wa ya fe edi ayi ama mi o no ri emi na kana ke na mana uku ebe bo ma ro salo gba we very o wa ro wa no wa we ri uku no wa we won be ya ka ni he kiri na mme ni he ya ge Edubo gallery no re egbe won gbe ba ni baba Edubo de wo ge fu na o bi wa we dollar yi na ya gba be we egbe mi ne tin ya won gba be awe iru salo gba ya we mi wa ki ma ne do wa gba okoto e sori man ma e mu fwa uma no man ma re mia e chori man ma mu fwa o me mi e ga ki o ipe kesu gi ya nya eyisan e ya bagbon ipe kesu gi nya eyisan o ya bagbon o wa ki o ma gege o ke do gbera ani obo na ogiso edia. The next one is ogiso ori agba o ya ma ogiso ori agba o ogiso ori agba ogiso ori agba he was ogiso for 685 to 712 Christian era. He was the 23rd Ogiso. So you see, from 22nd, now we have 23rd. All right? Okay. He was the son of Ogiso Ediaye. We talked about Ogiso Ediaye just now. This was the son. This is now the son. Ogiso Oriagba is no longer Ogiso Odionwere, the oldest person in the city. No. It's no longer Ogiso Odionwere. He's the son of Ogiso Ediaye. That means he's the son of the last Ogiso. So he resumed primogeniture. He resumed primogeniture. He rejected gerontocracy. Gerontocracy. That's a big Oyibo word. Gerontocracy. This Ogiso Oriagba, he rejected it. What is gerontocracy? Gerontocracy is the rule by the oldest person or the oldest people. So up to this time, up to his father's time, or Ediaye, it was Ogiso were made from the oldest person. So he looked at it and said, no. This Ogiso we are doing, they are the oldest person in the city. They are usually very old. They are no longer productive. They are no longer decisive. No. Let's revert back to the old system of primogeniture, where the son will become the Ogiso. And the son is not old yet. He'll be versatile. He'll be zealous. He can lead us somewhere and make achievements. Wisdom. So he rejected gerontocracy, the rule by the oldest people. And he resumed primogeniture. See it? All right. Okay, so Oriagba. Let's give him a hand. Oh, that's not all. Ogiso Oriagba, he insisted on the next of kin. Next. There's a T, not there. He insisted on the next of kin if there is no son of Ogiso. So he said next time, even if the Ogiso doesn't have a son, we can use his next of kin, like his brother. You know what I mean? To become Ogiso. But if he has a son, his son will become Ogiso. He invoked the spirits of ancestors and he do forefathers. When the matter was becoming tough for him, when this matter he was discussing, when it became tough for him, he invoked the spirits of the ancestors. He spoke to the people. Look, if you don't listen to what I'm telling you, I will call on the ancestors to come. Hey! The spirit of Ehimidu, that is the ancestral shrine of Edo. Idu, the original Edo people, Idu. They have an ancestral shrine called Ehimidu. So this man came out boldly and said, listen. The son of Ogiso will become Ogiso. Not the Odionwere. If you don't listen to me, I will call upon the spirit of the ancestors now. All of them began to say, okay. I'll say. So they now instituted what they call primogeniture. We give him a hand because he stood for a fact. He stood on something he knew was good. Ogiso Oriagba. Gẹ́gẹ́ no yari ẹni Ogiso. Ogiso nupogie nogie ehanya ugie eyengaki. Ogiso nogie ehanya ugie. Ogiso Oriagba. Onagedo. Ogiso Oriagba. Ogiso nupogie ehanya ugie. Hey. But do ba na eje wa no. Bigodo, area one. Obie Ogiso Ediai, Ega no. Obie Ogiso Ediai. We who vient ege ora esegbe Ogiso Ogiso Ediai. We who vient ege ore ara esegbe Nebote primogeniture. Who vient ege na te ya esegbe eyin idomure. Oge John we na ga tasin ona we na so do ni a. Oh! Ege esegbe John we na kan John we o kan o wa kan we John we na wa una John we o wa kan ni afi on ma gbe yen se tin iwe mi ropa yen tin you so you ko yen tin himi yan giye oge so do na do aye owie ogie ya ogie ba ho ona wa kan ona we tara de ona we mudake ogi so ori agba ori egbe ye ege aye segbe a ona di egbe yo ege aye segbe ona we a kan ga wu ona di egbe yo wa ma ta o pa igba ba kan no eke no egbe bo we agbo manedogun amaka ka bo tai ela ho me na van wa na ri na ko ata kwere e ne bogun kwere we wo tai e ba he no ta o ma ira me we to anu mu e di body baba di aga wa o we to anu mu o nga me gbo ugwa gbo so oge so ori agba ona na tai ebu na mu oge ona we egi isegbe ara awu ayo na wedo ayo na baba dia wa ona we egi oge ra akanzu adu pogeba dia wa ibi pa ni ari agwa oba Okidigan the way na ibi lao obi oba ope na ke we gade ona tutie enika o kebe eyimi du ba yo ni kai otai oje tata ebi edoma be o ni abe ho yana ibi oba ma yana we amwa yo mu are we ma wawu ma ne do ma wa mu amwa yo mu are eso na no gba na gba no na kata na dia ai we na wa fi no we ya egbe na wa wo ori agba egbe na we wa una ite won pa ma wa da ho wa ya we mi ono de yo you know ye a tutie nika o ana we a tutie nika o kebe eyimi du oni eyimi ore do edo idu eyimi ore do eyimi du o ma o eyimi du ore do wa o ana we a tutie ya tutia wa wo evident type ya we mi ya tutia eyimi du ya tutie nika o ina ya do mo pa do mo ma we yo ma hono ni wama ana do mi we egia isegbe a ri ukare ni ade akobo no kan bobo no o no emi no gwan kan ana we ya we bi no thank God okay dan gwa le bi do no ye video no emi no ta no emi no gwan kan no ya we ni no e lata o we mu diake okay we na bodi ke ga di go le guy okay na bi ke ga munu nwa okay ni ali na lalunu o no emi lata o mu diake o me ga aya we ni no so gbe Ogiso Odalige. The nice Ogiso is Ogiso Odalige. This is very special. Ogiso Odalige. Very historical. Yes, there's a special folklore concerning Ogiso Odalige. I won't be able to tell it now. You go and look for it yourself. You will know what I'm saying. Odalegeria, yay. Aye. When it was coming to the world. Aye. Look at when it rained. That's okay. So he was the 24th of Giso. He was the 24th of Giso. We passed 23rd. Now we're on 24th. During the Christian era. And he was a soldier. Now I know. I believe people are very warlike. Was a soldier. Huh? Some people think that the military tactics and military institution came from Europe. Who tells you that? The Edo Kingdom always had its own military. Look at it now. This man was a soldier, a born soldier. He stood tall. And when he spoke, people feared. Exactly. Like Ezobon. Like Ologbo Shere. He stood tall. And they stood by what he said. He was a soldier. He was a soldier. And then he defeated Udo, Igwabode, and Urolugbe towns. So he wasn't just a soldier behind the backyard. When you're a soldier, you have to have military, other soldiers along with you. You gather soldiers together. He formed the military. And they marched to Udo. Do you know Udo? In of your local government area. Udo. That's a very historical city. Udo. He managed against it, he defeated it. He went to Igwabode. I don't know where that one is. Igwabode. Okay? Abode is some people who are watching the way. Okay? There is a village called like that of watchers. Okay? Then he also defeated Uronigbe. Uronigbe. That's another historical city. On the way to by Agbo and Asa Agbo and Ababu there about Uronigbe. They are very historical. When it comes to Igwe festival, they are the first Uronigbe people. They are the first to perform the Igwe festival. And then the palace will also follow that. After Uronigbe, they follow that. There used to be a big shrine there, Ulokunu Uronigbe. So this man fought against those cities and he consolidated his kingdom, expanded the kingdom. Okobe enlarged his kingdom. What kingdom? The kingdom of Igodo Migodo. Igodo Migodo. Okay. So Brother Mafido is telling us that this Igwabode is now Agenobode. Okay. It's most likely, but Agenobode is far away. Agenobode is in the north side, near Ibilo, over there. That is also, we know very well that is also a town where watchmen were kept. They watched the way during the war in the Peninsula War with what was that area near River Benue over there. I'll tell you. So there were some people kept there to be watching the way. So that is a camp for watchers. Agonobode. That's what we now call Agenobode. So Agenobode. Agonobode. A camp for watchers, people who watch the way. You get it? So if that is what you are saying, Brother Mafido, okay. During the India War, okay, India, Yesige War, thank you. You know history very well. During the India War, the people who were kept to watch the way is Agonobode, the camp for watching the way. Okay, so I think this one is different though, because this time around we are talking of Ukiso era. We are not yet even in the days of Oba yet. See what I'm saying? But he consolidated the kingdom, make it large. That's not all. Look at something. Everybody heads up. He tamed elephants for war. This Ogiso tamed elephants. You know how to tame an animal. You keep the animal in the house and you feed it and you nourish it and you make it do what you want it to do. This man Ogiso tamed elephants for war. We're not talking of horses, we're not talking of dogs, elephants. I give him hand for war. He'll be able to make elephant go to war. Don't I be? Oh yeah, Ogiso Odolige. I mean, you know here. Odolige, why are we Odolige? Iye osa yobo obukan o. Okay, o land re. Obukan. Odolige, we o ka paro no kan Odolige. Iṣẹ́ tí ń tò ká ni o, tó pẹ́ ká hàn yìí. Ẹgẹ̀ nana mi tape nana yẹ àrílò àti tape. Ìtẹ́ àwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ bó náà o. Odò ìpọ̀ gbanya gbàrán gbéra. Ẹni ìyá wèé. Nana ẹyọ ẹrẹ n'imiọ. O ká Odolige. Odolige máa ń rìnrìn ayé o. Odolige máa ń rìnrìn ayé o. Odolige máa ń rìnrìn ayé o. Odolige rí ayé ọ̀nà àgbọ̀n. Òun yẹn ẹ̀rí ayé ẹ̀rí àgbọ̀n. Yàrá wo ni àwọn àti ẹ̀yìn náà di àgbọ̀n. Oríire ẹ̀mí máa ń dé fí ọ́bí náà kàtà ẹ̀rọ àti wọ́n ni. Ìwọ Odolige máa ń rí ayé. Ọ̀nà mi ọ̀ká ni ìwé náà ti ìlàdí àwò. Ìwé náà ti ìlàdí àmà tó pè é mọ́. Mẹ̀wàá wo ni ọkọ̀ ni. Ọkọ̀ Odolige máa ń rí ayé. Ogiso n'enyan gie. N'ogie n'enyan gie ẹ̀yìn ìràpì 24. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ kò so kàkàkàkàkà lọ sí n'enyan gie. Odolige. Ọ̀ká kú o. N'ọkàn udo. Ọ̀nàbí kan igwa bòdẹ̀. Ọ̀nàbí kan uronigbe. Ọ̀ká kú yẹn ràpì. Dumi enya we bodo mama we na yakonko manedo ma wa konko tele okako gedegu yen ra we na ezomo bi okako gedegu be no logbo sere be okako gedegu na we boido amuladi na managbe no ndi bo niyan edo ga won genede na kodao agbowo yito hai oyama Ọ̀fìmọ̀ zọ̀yìnrà. Ọwọ́ ni a kí àwọn. Ní ìkódà o. Èkì náà díẹ̀ ní tó sọ. Ọ̀yọ́ ọ̀yìnrè. Ọ̀yọ́ ọ̀yìnrè. Ọ̀yọ́ kò. Ọ̀nà yà kàn kó sẹ̀ udo. Ọ̀nà kan udo. Ọ̀nà yà kàn igwa bòdẹ̀. Igwe abode ona ya kan uronigbe adioba oge ona abe yo adioba no be boy adioba no boy aye ona be ye ni kan ko eni iya eni oye ni kan okwo eni why na ti eni elephant. Abe siri kete makawe yenwe iman yo ya yoko yi abe kita be amon be maka yenwe maso ya konku ogi na eni hokoma Ìwà rẹ̀ ni ò wá ènìyàn ọgbà ìbáyà iná wá wọn akokia. Avec un yoko, nous voyons les à cause de ouais, good, 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 good. On a yé yoko, ah, boka. N'y ni moi yoko. Anyway, baby. Anyway, baby. New born. Do what I go, what gave now waiting my go. Wait, I'm beginning to know what I said to you. We don't do that. Yeah, David, not go. I need you to give me no way gay in one cooking on a way. I yoko. But when you get the light, I pull away my hair. But when I like that, turn honey quiet. I mean, you're quite myself too. Well, yeah, with you, what you bought with you, what you do, what you bought with you, what you bought with you. Gavina, put my rack. What you bought with you. The do what you bought with you. One hour, why give you the other thing about you, my rack. Igua Bude Nakaba, Eva River. Have you my young Bude? No, Bude, I do good. Maiti agenda bode man you no fear with agenda bode agodon bode no be go ku ida okwo ida ni aguma konbe we ku ida agonon bode man na be ni abode de abegin ade o ni e bi ya ewe mo oni ya aganda bode ebi ni mana do me tele na se ti bi okwa obungbe o agono bodeni na ti agono bodeni o keke ni mana do ari yeba iba ya bo wa pa yeba ni o wa na nko wa na to te to ka o wa na ku kwari oge ba bo na ti agono bodena mana do ya we mo ni yeba na ya ayere we e ma no bode o ka o ya fe na kana do gbe gbon o ye won Iye sukuu be wo enya be do aya we na tia drama ni ma dege the money of kid makede every year wa say ma ni biedo awa so na ai tagbona ai tagbona kai ona oyi dem no yo kokani wa agba lo moro mami odoli give ri ayo odoli give ri ayo well matter so na wa ya no ri wa bu kan o wa we so itu e ma fi don wa we on kedo edo la to ope ya ma o na agbon he edo la to ope we lu gbon na ni o ya e wo so pon u si le kugbe any when I am my school, you have the subject, you have the predicate, and then you have the noun, you have the verb, you have the adjective, or you have the pronoun, or you have the adverb. Do la to okwe every somebody. Edo ra to o be o to be re. Edo ra to ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ Edo ga-atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ obe yibe ọba atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ uwere o táwọn wáyà táwọn mọ̀ ọba ga-atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ọba ga-atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ Edo ga-atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ babege ni mawasi kugbe ni ne mate construct ba agbe Hebrew language ati even paro ati construct awasi eme ise wa kugbe manado agbe mi mo a imagbo popa ọba ga-atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ manado ase kugbe ni ọba ga-atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ no at all erio ahụ a ede m yiri awe ọba ga-atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ Edo ga-atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ozan onitana ozan la wa afi meme gwere o webe ozan gedo ozan gedo ebe ni we ogi manedo ya wa witana ozan eta ya zan wa papa ma fi don wese wa matema eri yoke na wa agbon wa ma binu wa ya wo na ge ayeberio ọba ga-atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ Edo ga-atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ now subject and object, noun and subject and predicate. The verb, the noun, the verb, the adverb, the adjective. Or is a word. It's the letter or. Adusa. So all this or is a one letter, but it's a word in the or man, or day is coming, or man, it is good. But due for it was a duration. We live long. Edo atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ise ọba atọ ọ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ise isokan waya bokan o mafidon obokan ko egbeben ni mafidon wa lakan we Europe do ya wa gbere okun we ebe na tie o ipon saro baniyan mafidon isokan ye ka to obokan o iye o saben yo bo okay, Olandere, Obokian o Safian Bo ato. Daniel Mata, Safian Bo ato. Sabo Safian Betu ato. Eyi mare Saben Yobo. Owudo, Oropin Gobazuwa, Duwa Udo, Oropin Gobazuwa, Usiloko Road. No, like only do Gobazuwa. Udo that seleba ebo don ko kwa niki I mia ya me ya seba ya so udo ma fi don okay India war agana bode ko yo obukan o Evelyn da dem kia ko yo oye ni camion e don gbera Evelyn da dem kia Lizio sawa mana ya gba ihun fi egwele ko yo Patrick Sunday abokan brother ma ure na la wa ro wa beden egbedi kata baniki o wa beden we wa si brother Sunday na wa shake bo na wa do kon pa ni do magmin very oh wa be edene me yagma melody aya na edene na na iwe mi oge edene me yagma melody aya ya ugba okoto o so lórí ìyá mu pẹ̀lú rísí wá rísí ìjàtọ̀ ọmọkàn wọ́n kàrí dẹ́rìọ̀ òwe ni ẹ̀dá ọjọ́ wẹ̀ o ìfòtó wẹ̀ ni wẹ́n ni ibi ẹ̀dọ́ ya fẹ́ ya rẹ̀ ya mọ̀ ìfòtó ó di ẹ̀wọ́ kan wà kó dá o á di bọ́ láyé ọwọ́ kan wà ní ìwé àgọ́gbọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ ya owó sẹ̀wẹ̀sẹ̀wẹ̀ máa wọ ẹbẹ mi lọ sáré bọ ya bùi mà ọ yẹ mà náà sì mà kẹ náà ní okú náà sọ ọkẹ náà wọn dọ náà sọ ọkẹ nígbà mi àárí àgbọn náà wí àwọn díẹ̀ ní mà òun náà bọ̀dé John ọwọ́ bí wà ó wẹ́sẹ̀ náà fi pọ̀ wọ́n mẹ́rí pọ̀ ń wẹ̀ ìwé náà wèrè wẹ́yà àtàkìá ìnàm náà mìíràn díà Christian ìgbìnàdùwà kóyọ ìlànà ìgbìnàdùwà wàtà Christian máa bọ̀ wà yẹ̀ bọ́ o ẹ̀nà máa gift ọ̀pẹ́ máa yá kẹ́ kòkò wẹ́ kò gbé Christian bí a sọ gé máa yá kókò sọ Andrea Amato ọ̀wá ẹ̀nà máa gift wà Andrea Amato òṣù ẹ̀ máa yá àṣọ ẹ̀ nìkì wẹ́sọ̀ bí a sọ gé ọ̀nà ìmùkọ́ ẹni fò àbọ̀ ọ̀nà gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́n ẹ̀mí yìí wọn náà ọ̀nà ìmọ̀ fò àbọ̀ mọ́mí ẹ̀mí di àwọn gbẹgbẹ ẹ̀dọ̀ aláìmí náà wọ́n awé ewé ẹ̀dọ̀ àrí àyẹ̀wá Friday ọmọ àgbọ̀n ọ̀bùkẹ́ òhun sà òhun sà yẹn ló ké France rẹ̀ ok wọ́n ṣe ta ẹ̀ bàbá rẹ̀ French yìí au revoir bye bye bien sûr que koyo usayame sewi koyo obukan o sewi yo de gbegben sewi ni kata ma odo yo sewi 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 koyo ba gbin yegbele adore debi koyo na ina dere futuwa yo di ona idame egede de manawe be Facebook ifutuwa ya ve wa ila di amara di mo se ye mo se viedo mo se gbe musa lo boa wa mi viedo dan dere ya ye won que tudo se agbama do se bi rodo se ye viedo eu se o sa ba yo se wuma edo ya ituwa o wa be wa o wa na re ya ko ri be edu gaben oja adi so si na go salobua awe mi gbe wo de Wednesday we no wa de ri o ma we gbagbe ade nata na salobua orobo we o la o ejeno mano la fian gbe do we wi ya fe obera obiye ebi no manu ya wu ma egi ma vi okwa ni ma e vi okwa ya fe ma yan mu ya bo wa o ni ma dolo yi ma se koko ri e wa ni ma uzo la we gba o eji ma kian na gbe eji ma kian na mu ma be di ede Wednesday ma be fie ma ba gbe ade ni mata na salobo je vewa jagun hera hun ja hun we gwa ja hun we ka ba na mi we yo do we o we mu lekati o we amon yen no tie no win we ni Jesus Christ serve ni Jesus Christ serve fa ba fi on gbo wa de de ni Jesus Christ do nya serve ọba wa ìrọ̀rẹ́ do ato ipewe kete ẹ̀dí ẹ̀gá máa òwárí ga máa ọ̀rì yọpẹ́ ọ̀hún dógè ọba yìí ló bọ̀ efo ìṣẹ́ ọba rà tọ́ ọ̀pẹ́ ìṣẹ́ wàyàwẹ̀ ìṣẹ́ ìṣẹ́ ọmọ yìí kọ́ wọn nípa ọ̀rẹ́ dòdì ní ẹgbẹ́ kú wàyà ní wẹ́dọ̀ kú rẹ̀ odugi wa gyore onyegbe na wa bo kan o wa re miamia o zo igba ba no buzola ọmọ wi tan gbe wa de owa ma odo wa ma o sa gba afian bo wa ere wa mu wa do ya go wan duge na do yan wan sa no uti no wa we ni Jesus Christ ise akuyo wa wi ado akuyo Lizzie Osawa o what flower hibiscus no no o what wa mete we ni oku na kin Lizzie Osawa o pia we kin a e photo no we dey ma go pia wa no Osawa bo zebo ge no a me ma no a o blessing ogun iye mama da wa se o ma tu we blessing ogun oh yeah bo be Tina Robert ya kwa me ma de gbedo ge ne wari isokan yobo sai kato uwe se koyo blessing ogun koyo obokian obota Tina Robert koyo vice check the code ye okay we not do we are not takpa we quick question before this war between most of these towns and Benin, were the people of Ronigbe speaking Benin or another language? Wanta, Otanokwa no ena. And in Ronigbe, we yanga aze, the do yanga aze. Lebasi babo zenana imuku ariba. O zenana imuku ariba. Okay, maya abe agwa tuto edi maamio. So pa eskeda moko yona here abu dobi obe. Oban wari ma yanze bobe o. Ebi so sunu. Ebi so isunu. Ebi so dan ido wa wan egbe. Ebi so dan akin owi yan. Yan akin owi yan yan ga gegwa. Oha, yan ga gegwa. Dogi so ino de oba ino yan ga ge. As the tawe yo tata o man defio ado moko akin aya akon yan. Areme edo yan he o, edo yan ka kin o. Aya akon ko se ba. Adagbedo vi an gyoba oni si okweso e ba yo di ka woni wa si okwo ya o me ma etie bese ba e no so uro ni gbe ni ma etie bese ba do we mi e do be wo do ta mi ma ota no kwa e wo no e o wo de wo ta e won ara fu de o Livio Sawa o. Sa I'm a female. Ibanta. Why na me photo kwa yi ba photo ko ni ki. Photo ni wa yi bo kwa. Owe igba gboro yan ki o àwọn mo kin ya. Wọ́n do na ya photo da fún na ko kin na. No yi bo kwa na. Photo da fún ni kin ya. Gwege we no wata o na te wata magbe na do ro we na ro na do ya te na o ku no do na we na agwegwa he no ma ebe o do we na agwegwa he na do mi a we te dem ma na no ta o so it's okay you musa what we say yo isa o why we say yo I wouldn't lazy lazy what's it they photo when I came out not the over your man making that dagger our bow says Obako one or overdo a weekend or you want to whatever we put on Moshe if you told me why with you my video so how about the bower Ure was we have we all messenger me begun abia bobule messenger me begun ari e na do akọ gogwan memi ama wa don ri e wa me begun messenger e ba ma na wo se friendship on Facebook messenger no ya gbegun o ya gbegun e wo Facebook messenger e ba na gbegun gigbe ma wa ya gbegun e wo ni o koyo abo bobo na no vio ni na Lucy we avie no bungu vie no bungu vie no bungu o o ya vie ama we ogugwe o ya vie Facebook message ni adere ni ma ya adere o oki ogwe o waki ogwe o e ka to waki ogwe o oki ogwe do we ma gbon oki ogwe Waki ogwe temani kwa. Waki ogwe temani kwa sababu waro. Webi a wuwa da me. Akwa we degbe wa wo na ni. Oh de gbe. Owe babado. Wa we ye do. Have a nice weekend. Oh, you know, in the name of Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah, Africa. Yobo of Holland. What it means Africa. He when me photo were no there. Miss Africa. Miss Africa. We can know. Sometimes we look more than where Miss Africa. Vanish here anyway. Now we Miss Africa. I mean Miss Nigeria. Now we Miss Africa. We do what no we do. Why Miss Africa? You have a very who the big bang going? Oh, you want me on Facebook Messenger? You want me with Donny? Oh, Kuyo Safian Buo. Kuyo Wiando. Oh, Salbanon go working in Miss Africa. I mean, worry much the world. Africa, ya fefe. Oh, bye. Good night. But we have my photo. We have my photo. Bye. Oh, very nice. Nice time.